If you're a beginner curious about Forex trading, you've come to the right place. Forex trading is all about buying and selling currencies. It's popular because the market is always open, and there's a chance to make some serious cash. First things first, pick a reliable Forex trading platform. Look for one that's user-friendly and has good reviews. Now, on to the fun part, trading. Start with a comfortable for you amount, yet such that can bring you relevant results. Once you're comfortable, upgrade your balance on regular basis in accordance with your goals and risk appetite. Let's talk strategies. One basic strategy is trend following. Buy when the currency is going up and sell when it's going down. Simple, right? Avoid common mistakes like overtrading and not using stop-loss orders. These can save you from big losses. Finally, learn to analyze the market. Keep an eye on news and economic indicators to make informed decisions. And there you have it, your quick guide to starting Forex trading with zero experience. Happy trading!